In this video, we're going to walk you through one of the biggest new features in Lacuna version 1.4.0, the title page designer. The main benefit of the title page designer is that it saves your title page as a full page image. The reason why full page images are so important for title pages is because they keep their proportions across different devices. The spacing, the layout, and everything will look the same whether you're viewing it on an iPhone, a tablet, or in print. When you first click on a title page, you'll now see designer mode at the top. Click on that and you'll be brought to our new designer window. We basically built a mini Canva right inside of Lacuna where you can create text blocks, add images, and add shapes like rectangles, circles, and lines. Every time you save, it'll automatically generate an image behind the scenes for you, and you'll see it in the preview window. From here, you'll have full control. For text, you can change the font, adjust the font size, apply bold, italic, underline. You can change text color, set the alignment, and add borders around it. You can even control the letter spacing and the line spacing. For images, you can resize them freely, you can transform them, and you can drag them anywhere you want. Every element that you create in the designer can be snapped to grid, and you'll see a pink line that helps you align them. And if you make any changes that you don't want, you can always just hit Ctrl-Z and undo everything. We're still in beta with this feature and we're working out a lot of the kinks. If you run into any issues or encounter a bug, you can go into the options menu and select Reset Designer. This will reset everything and make sure you don't end up with a blank page or any weird rendering issues. We hope you like it and then you get some time to play around with it. If you have any recommendations or errors that you encounter, please don't hesitate to reach out to us through our support email or the contact us page on the website. Another feature we added is the background image fill types. We now have three options: fit, cover, and fill. With certain images, the differences are really dramatic, so let me walk you through each one. So fit tries to fit the entire image within the page. You may see some white space if the image doesn't perfectly fit. Cover will maintain the aspect ratio of the image. The image will grow as much as needed to fill the entire page, and this means that part of the image may be cropped out. And then fill ensures the entire image will fill the page completely. It will stretch and distort the image if the proportions don't match. Fill types work for both safe zone and full bleed modes. The safe zone will only fill the area where the text can go, and full bleed will be the entire page. You might notice when you switch between safe zone and full bleed that the text placement changes a little bit. That's actually because the trim size is changing when you're in full bleed. We've now enhanced the trim size indicator that's located underneath the print previewer to show you a small alert icon anytime you're in full bleed so that you can see that the trim size has actually changed.